के गाइस हिँड्न पर्यो आजको डे 8/7/2025 11:09 डेट एल्टिट्युड एलिभेसन स्टार्ट भएको छ It's a Nepali breed dog, you know, Bote. ठिक्कै छ like yeah, like I feel same, you know, when I see like this. Actually we do campaign, we work. After doing the work for a week, yeah, the same thing, you know, nothing changes. Again the chunk of garbage, yeah, things, glasses, they break the things, everything.
Yeah. We were at Naga.
Yeah.
We were there and you have a view tower over there.
Yeah.
We went up in the view tower and up. It was such a nice.
Up in a tower.
Yeah.
In a view tower.
Upper floor. Bottles.
Like beer bottle,
yeah, beer
everything.
Broken glass. And it was not this. It was
big chunk.
Yeah, big chunk. But I think, oh, really crazy. It's saturated. I want to go down. I really hate this.
It's just destroying your vibe, you know. Like
yeah. And I can understand that people are sitting there together, young people, and drinking a beer or something like that, or at night when it's closed.
Yeah. If you are enjoying the moment, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to clean everything, you know.
Yeah. Because now you can, for shortly, I could enjoy the view.
Yeah.
But the smell, terrible. But that was also in a hotel.
Yeah.
Normal hotel we had. Good hotel, but you look into the forest.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
If you look down, mess. I think, why?
So what's about this Budhanilkantha? You find the same thing?
Buddhism?
Yeah, Budhanilkantha. This
Budhanilkantha.
Yeah. Like in comparison to inner Kathmandu, like
yeah, Kathmandu, inner city.
Yeah.
It's crowded.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fog.
Yeah.
From cars. So not clean. But we only go there for shopping.
Stop. Yeah. Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah. That's all. My mother-in-law likes them very much.
Yeah. In this monastery,
yeah,
you will find a female monk,
yeah,
not a male, only female monk.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
You been here?
No, but I read it in the book. It's a nunnery.
Yeah.
They.
घर बनाउन लाउनु भा? Nice.
Oi, gato. Niemand erzählen.
See this?
Yeah.
It's down for ventilation.
Oh, okay.
Light.
Yeah, light.
Here.
Oh, that way. Yeah.
Very well. कति बजे खोल्छ गुम्बा? कति बजे गुम्बा खोल्छ? हो ल
आनीहरु लुम्बिनी गएको छ
लुम्बिनी गएको छ sun bath. They are taking sun bath. You find any different? The monkey? Their stripe, you know, you see the color.
It's less red.
Yeah.
So more red with the other one.
Yeah. And as well as you see their color.
Yeah.
They are not also so properly yellow. You see the browns.
Yeah.
Brown. Oh. Whoa. Monkey King.
Oh ja, dat kan. Een spiegeltje? Ja? Oh, oké.
Let's go. They have been to Lumbini for the puja. That's why it's somehow they are not a representative person right now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So they are here from little, or they
Just
come? Yeah.
They're from little.
Yeah.
You know, at the time of their growing stage,
Yeah.
They are sent here, and after they become a little bit mature
Yeah.
and know about the thing, about the culture, what
Yeah.
they do in here, and then after they are shifted in another place.
Okay.
They are not here for permanent.
Oh,
Just
not
not permanent because of, in a year base to
Yeah.
many time period base, the student, the female monk,
Yeah.
they got changed. You know, some of them there are many.
So our little monks are also all female.
Yeah, all female.
Yeah, yeah, he thought they were also boys. So
No.
it can't be.
It's all girl. They have to trim their hair every. Yeah, they all are girl. No.
No, but they have no short hair, so therefore looks like boy. I told them.
Two, making love.
Yeah, baby.
Namaste.
Namaste. Or maybe she can.
अहिले खोलिन्छ मैले त्यही भने 4 बजे हुन्छ म त्यही भन्छु
No.
न
Oh.
छिराइदिनुहुन्छ एकछिन मात्र हो नत्र
फोटो नखिचिकन घुमाएर खानको
हुन्छ प्लिज ओके she told don't take a picture, just
Yeah,
do
yeah,
it fast
yeah,
and
yeah,
just
yeah. Yeah, that's okay. That's
Okay.
okay. And she has a key there.
लुम्बिनी जानुभएको छ
सबैजना आज बिहान जानुभएको
त्यो मैले नि त्यही बहिनीले भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो नानुले एकैछिन हामी आएर फेरि माथि गुम्बा जानु एकछिनको लागि okay
She's taking the key.
yeah, she's the senior one, yeah, she's the only one now right
yeah.
here, but we got chance. Nice. She will open for us for the
Yeah?
time.
Yeah.
Don't take a picture, just go see and just
Picture. It's just, I like to see it.
Yeah.
always. It makes my day. Otherwise, I was.
आएर हुनुहुन्छ
बाँदर आउँदो रहेछ त्यो चुनेर बस्नुपर्छ कि
हजुर हजुर
So, धन्यवाद.
म
अब के होला भाइ सामान छैन है बाहिर
छैन, छैन।
बाँधा भित्र आउँछ एकदमै भित्र एकछिनमा परिरहेको हुन्छ सबै चलाइदिन्छ कि
हजुर मैले अहिले बढेछ बाँदरहरू हस् It's a book.
Yeah, praying book. Yeah. धन्यवाद
हजुर
हजुरले खुल्ला पाउनुभएछ है
हजुर
पैसा भित्र
हजुर हस् हस् के भन्नुभयो
म चाबी बोकेर आएको थिएँ हजुर छिर्नु भइसक्यो
उहाँले खोलिदिइहाल्नु थ्याङ्क यू सो मच
उस गर्नै पाउँ नि यहाँ टोप्ला बाँधेन
होइन अब त हामी जान्छौँ घुमिसक्यौँ
धेरैजनाले टोपिसक्यो
यो बाँदर अहिले धेरै बढेछ Yeah, she's warning us like beware of them. They are really dangerous. They have bite many tourists.
Oh, here
Yeah.
the
Monkey.
You also have many
Yeah,
in Pashupatinath,
yeah,
also monkeys.
yeah,
And of course Monkey Temple.
yeah. Obviously, Saimbu. Yeah, yeah. I work in a Pasupati there. You know, my office is there. I do sometime, you know, like a supernatural power.
Yeah.
Do you know? Like we do some experience in that too here in Pasupati area. Like a ghost investigation, everything.
Yeah.
भयो आधी घन्टा बस्या बसेँ यहीँ घरलाई भित्र छिराएको
भित्र कहाँ
गुम्बाभित्र
मिल्छ सेर्नु
मिल्छ जाउँ न खाली नै छ
त्यो ढोका खोलेर जाने हो
यस्तो चाहिँ हेर्दा धेरै मिल्छ है जाउँ न किन नमिल्नु वहाँ ल्याएपछि घुम्नुपर्छ
टोइलेट कता रहेछ
यसको पछाडि हो यसको पछाडि Yeah, the back of the building. Yeah. It's down there. We are near to the comfort way. It's raining.
And the other people,
Yeah.
Malaysian people, the
Yeah.
photographer,
Yeah.
that was also with a guide. Almost finished the stairs.
No, it's just starting.
It's stairs.
Now we are maybe in a range. Slowly
Okay.
up range. We'll go still up.
Up here?
No, from down. Yeah.
She's strong.
Yeah, I can see.
She's younger than me. Only 1 year.
Nice.
Sterk vrouw zit dat. Sterk vrouw zit dat. Ja,
Actually, this trail is so comfortable in comparison to other trail. Yeah, because not so rough, you know, the trail. Some of the trees are here more than 100 years old, you know.
Oh, I can believe that for sure.
100 years old. मजा आयो हाइकिङ Sano Devrali over there. Nagi Gumba, we hike for an hour.
Yeah? Oh yeah, we come from that side.
Yeah, Nagi Gumba is straight.
Yeah.
And Shivapuri peak 1 hour 30 minutes up.
Yeah, and
Bagba.
we are going to 45 minutes.
45 minutes up.
Yeah.
This is somehow we will cross the middle way of the hike.
Ah, okay, yeah.
I'm good when I'm pushing my केटाहरु हल्ला गर्दै रहेछ डेन्जर अनि भागिहाल्छ नि हामीले के भेटिसक्यो कराउनु हुन्न के धेरै मिर्ग देखिन्छ यस्तै भाग्यमा लिएर जाँदै चित्तो देखिन्छ देखिहाल्छ नि कालिस त आउँदाखेरि 17-18 देखिन्छ
हल्ला नगरे अब
हल्ला गर्नुहुन्न के जङ्गलमा altitude, you know?
Yeah.
It's really wonderful.
Yeah, the very beautiful black hair.
Usually they fly alone, you know, not in a pack.
Yeah.
They really have their own nature.
Yeah.
This is Sano Devrali. We're gonna have a small rest, and then after we move again.
Okay.
Fine?
Yeah, fine.
You see the mountains range.
Yeah. Finally.
It's a lovely one. Whoa, nice one. We'll sit there. Yeah, we have to feel it. Weapon in a ground and the water source became. That's a story. Shivaya. I'm a big I'll explain you about this, huh? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, that's a Shiva son,
Yeah, I know.
Ganesh.
Yes, Ganesha.
And why it's
Snake.
Om Namah Shivaya. And the coldest water here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think.
You want to?
Yeah.
This one is really old. You go back to have our food, you know?
Yeah.
And this is the weapon of the Shiva.
Yeah.
Like a collecting the dust.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah, that's why I told you.
Ah,
That's why I did upload.
yeah.
Nice, brother.
65.
Yeah, 65 years old. Yeah. Yun the para. Lovely दाजु फाइन पेनले भयो नि लेखेर यसरी राख्नु भएको छ ल ओ माई गड मान्छे होइन आँखा लाउनेले देख्छ हजुर यो चाहिँ यति देउराली मात्र केही छैको रेकर्ड भयो रेकर्ड गर्नुपर्छ कस्तो चिज lovely place how's your leg it's good nice it's a gemstone yeah
No, I don't think so. I don't know what it is. Vegetarian.
oh no I have trading
Yeah.
it's dog crow ox animal and cow
Yeah. Isn't it here?
You don't want to?
no she's my sister you know I have to be obedient with her you want
No.
you fine okay
I'm fine, yeah.
let's move slowly
Okay.
कहाँ जान्ला भाइ बागद्वार मुनिबाट यहाँ त देउराली हो मुनिबाट यो बोर्डै निकाल्दै क्या भाइ सबै यहाँ बोर्ड हेर न मुनिबाट चाहिँ हो भालेपछि आएर के गरेर गयो यार यहाँ दाजुलाई त उता गुम्बामै भेट्यो नि मैले म्याउ नेपाली म्याउ
You are from which country?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
बोर्ड सब भत्काएर हेर्नु मान्छे कन्फ्युज बनाइदिने आइको कति 5 मिनट गएर यहाँ भर्खर यो खाजासाजा खाएर चाहिँ हिँडेको हजुर
Okay, enjoy.
Yes, enjoy.
ल दाजु है
Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, but he doesn't want to find it.
Oh, I really don't like to see them. Let them live.
Let him live.
Let them live.
Of course, I hate.
झर्ने चाहिँ कसरी
झर्न त ठट्याङ हो नेपाली त
कहाँ सक्छ खुट्टा काम छ
हामी सबै सँगसँगै थियो नि है पुगेर आइसक्नु भएको छ के छ
हेर्नुहोस् न मन्दिर छ राम्रो छ
And then we make our plans. How we go through what we want to do. And if friends of Thomas are coming with us,
या
then we go more.
या सरप्राइज भइरहेछ We have to offer the stick, you know.
Yeah.
In Deurali here,
Yeah.
we have to offer a stick while going and after going.
Okay.
That's why I kept here. You see, chunk of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Because sometime in drought they come here and keep fire.
Yeah, she's not interested. She's not listening to you. That's really. Yeah.
I was walking
Sometimes
in
it's such a difficult woman.
No, I was walking in front.
In the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see that.
Okay. Rains are blocked, I think.
Yeah, the mountains are blocked.
Lovely grass. कस्तो दामी के.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a ठुलो देउराली. सानो देउराली is down.
Yeah.
That we came down, yeah, देउराली. सानो, ठुलो, and then after माथिको अर्को ठुलो.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, सानो it's like small. ठुलो it's like big.
Big, yeah. Tulu is big.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
सानो, ठुलो. सानो सानो नानी. सानो सानो small baby.
Yeah.
सानो सानो नानी. Yeah. Oh, we have still some rains. Oh, nice. We have rains. Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. He's not wearing his glasses. The lower part, eh?
You can take a picture and zoom.
Yeah, I did it. But he's not wearing his glasses.
Yeah, it's difficult.
Yeah. He has glasses for looking far.
Bagdwar. Helipad. Yeah, helipad for the helicopter. Yeah. Some of the Indian tourists, they come through helicopter. Yeah. Rich politician, Indian government. They think they can do anything here, you know.